It's heartbreaking, it really is, to read the troubles that siblings experience. And of course, their parents too, but there's something really heartbreaking, isn't there, about siblings. So, firstly, let me just say, parenting across the board is tricky. Okay, so no matter who you are parenting, it's tricky. And a good friend of mine who might be watching always says if you're doing it right, then it's not easy. So, but it is tough, isn't it? It's tough being a parent. It's tough knowing where the lines are. It's tough, understanding what approaches to take with our children and doing the right thing. It is tough. But parenting children who have different needs is really, really tricky, like a whole new level of parenting kind of tricky.